Next up, we're meeting Ellie and her buddy dog, Vicky.
Ellie, what is a buddy dog?
So a buddy dog is a guide dog that basically has a career change. They go to children that might get a guide dog later in life so they can get used to caring for a dog.
What impact has Vicky had on your life, Ellie?
She has helped me become more confident and meet so many new people. If I'm taking her for a walk, people will usually stop by and pet her and say, oh, she's such a cute dog, and then we end up chatting, and it's just been great, and she's such a calming presence.
I even feel calm just being here.
So calm, so relaxed, so zen. Yeah.
Hello. Hello, Vicky.
And is it true that Vicky was working as a different kind of dog before she became a buddy dog?
She was in guide dog school, and then she got too stressed from the workload, I suppose.
Oh.
So she just couldn't handle it.
And when you're together in the house, what do you get up to?
She likes to help me with my homework.
On the hood of the aisles, soon he began to nod with sleep.
I will talk to Vicky about whatever I'm learning about, and she listens. And I don't think she likes maths very much.
It's okay.
Does she eat that homework?
Yeah,
So you can really use my dog ate my homework excuse?
I actually can.
Oh, that's good. I just love dogs.
What makes Vicky the best pet?
She never judges me.
Oh.
She's always there and she always listens, and she's just so calm.
And does she sleep in the bed with you now?
She sleeps downstairs in a wee bed, but she sometimes goes into my brother's room, which is not fair.
And I can't help but notice you have a very lightsabery looking
Yes, it is a
cane here.
lightsaber cane.
Can we see it in action?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Wow!
So cool!
Oh, watch out, watch out. She has it.
Might cut you in half.
And can Vicky do any tricks?
She can catch her tail,
Catch a tail?
like literally catch her tail.
Oh, she got it! She got it! Well done! Well done. Good girl.
That's so cute.
Thank you so much, Ellie, for bringing Vicky here to see us. She is an absolute gem.
Oh, thank you.
Can I borrow your lightsaber after this as well?
Yes.
Thank you.
From buddy dog to model dog, introducing Ida Rose, the best dressed pug in Ireland, and her long distance boyfriend, Milo.
Welcome, Julie. This is your pug, Ida Rose.
Ida Rose. This is Milo, and Milo is Ida Rose's long-term boyfriend.
How did they meet?
I set up an Instagram page for Ida Rose and began following the Galway pug. He's become very famous for his little stunt on a watermelon, which you can see.
So they're like a proper couple.
Oh yeah.
I think they're like probably the best dressed dogs I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, they have a great wardrobe.
Right
You can see,
behind you,
yeah.
I can see. Like,
Yeah, I think that's why she got the name the Donegal doll.
well, Ida Rose is clearly loving life as the Donegal doll.
Yeah, she's got an outfit for every occasion.
We're back. Well, any guesses on which YouTuber owns these stripy cats? Here's a few more clues to help you out. He's no stranger to mining. He's blocked out a big portion of his life for gaming, and he's part of the Hermitcraft server. Any ideas? Let's take a look. It's the YouTuber Green and his cats Maui and Pearl. Right, Lucy, I think you're ready for a walk. You want to go for a walk?
Well, that's it from Donegal. We had so much fun meeting the great pet lovers of the northwest of Ireland. But we've got to hit the road to find some more cute, weird, wacky,
And totally crazy pets. But remember, choosing a pet is a life-changing decision for you and the animal.
Yep, so do your research. Make sure you can provide the best home for whatever pet you decide.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Next time we're in County Galway, where we'll be meeting a goal-scoring turtle, a foster kitten, a cat, and the creepiest of crawlies.
And I'll be riding a flatulent horse. And don't forget to share your own pet stories using the hashtags on screen.